Hi guys, it's Ruthie and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own stickers from your drawings. So the first thing I did was opened up Clip Studio Paint. You guys could do this in Photoshop or any other software you like. So I just created a new layer and made it white, and I put it on top of my drawing. I then lowered the opacity so I could draw on top of it and just have the clean line drawing to use for the sticker. So it looks something like that. So then what I did was just save that, opened up another little page that was about I think 4.5 by maybe, I don't know, it was like 4.5 by something. No, it was 4 inches. I'm sorry, it was 4 inches by 5.5 inches. There we go. So yeah, I just made that, and then this part is totally optional if you wanted to do this for your stickers. But I decided to do it just because it just looked a little cuter. Okay, so once you have that, you can save it to wherever, and then I'm going to open up another file that is a 8.5 by 11 size, which is your standard print size, and then I just put those on top so we have our little sheet. And I did color in the background just like making it a little bit of a lighter color so I could cut the others out easier. So once you've done all of that, it should look something like this. So then I just went ahead and trimmed this. And this is optional. If you did the little cutout sheets, you could round the corners if you want. Alright, so here we go. Now it's time for the fun part. So I'm using my Ohuhu markers. You don't have to use Ohuhu. You could use Crayola if you wanted to. You could use whatever, depending on what you have. So this is totally up to you. I wanted to mention real quick, the paper I'm using for my stickers is a label paper. It is just one big giant label sheet, and this I think was bought on Amazon. It was actually bought for school, and my mom had some left over, so yeah, I got to use these, and they are perfect for making my own stickers. I just love it. So then I went in with some clear packing tape to put it on top just to make it a little bit shiny. If you don't want to do this, you could totally skip it, or if you have already shiny paper, go ahead and just skip this part. I then, to cut it out, took some scissors and didn't go all the way to the edge, so I would have more of a die cut sticker style. If you have a Cricut or anything like that, you could totally cut it out from there, but for me this was just the easiest. So here are two other designs I made, and you can put these on anything. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you're having an awesome Thanksgiving. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, and I will see you guys Monday. Bye!